Namaste students, I am JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class, BEd 4th semester. We will discuss the topic Women Role in Conservation and Sustainable Development. Sustainable development refers to a development process which enhances people's capacity to create and consume wealth on a lasting basis. It requires a socio-economic, political, and cultural environment which enables pupils to engage in and sustain the development process. Okay, urbanization and industrialization tend to destroy biomass through deforestation. A large number of Rustics pupils, especially women, depend on the biomass for fuel, food, and raw materials for certain village crafts. Devastations of the biomass invariably affect the life of rural women. Right? Women's Traditionally, women have made the fullest use of the non-motorized biomass basis sustenance economy of the household. Men, on the contrary, tend to destroy those biomass based subsistence economy for cash. Women have a different perspectives on environment on the basis of their experience, keeping in view of the inherent capabilities of women in the management of nature, their education, creating and innovation, inventory, and production managements need to the strengthen their resources and strength must be channelized to their full potential to take part in the process of nation making. Okay, some women conserve the environment in all over the world. Russell Carson, one one of the outstanding environmentalists in Russell Carson was a scientist, writer, and ecologist. Russell Carson was inspired by her biology teacher, so the switched her major to biology. She is famous for her book, The Silent Spring. The book is about that man has done to nature and eventually to himself. Okay, Maria Chereskova is a journalist, ecologist, and director of Center for Independent Ecological Programs. In 1960s, she began to work for a red data book for the Department of Environment Protection Institutes. Okay, she researched and preserved rare species until she becomes the editor of USSR Red Data Book. Vandana Shiva, perhaps no woman alive fights harder for the rights of female farmers than Vandana Shiva, an Indian philosopher, eco-feminist, and environmental activist. Shiva is an outspoken critic of industrialized, globalized agriculture and proponents of traditional sustainable farming methods. Okay, next, the first African woman to win the Nobel Prize, Dr. Mathal, found the Green Belt movements, a grassroots environmental organization advocating for human rights, good governance, and peaceful democratic change through environmental stewardship. Megha Patekar, Narmada Bachao Andolan, announced the arrival of the Indian Greens protesting against destructive development, one of the largest and most successful environmental campaigns led by Megha Patekar. Narmada Bachao Andolan begins with a wide development agenda. Questionnaire is very relational of large dam projects in India. Sugatha Kumari, a committed conservationist, Sugatha Kumari served as the secretary of the Society for Conservation of Nature, Trivandrum. In the late 70s, she led a successful nationwide movement known as Save Silent Valley to save some of the oldest natural forests in the country. In Silent Valley in Kerala from submersion as a result of planned hydroelectric projects. Okay. Malyamma. Malyamma, a 50-year-old tribal widow, has been at the forefront of the people agitation against the multinational Coca-Cola in the small village of Placemeda in Permute Panchayat in Kerala. The agitations recently completed 1000 days. The growth of technology and the process of commercialization, industrialization, and globalization affects men and women differently. Without women, real development cannot take roots. Concern for women and efforts to mainstream them occupy the country of every development. Okay, thank you.